Okay, children, now we are going to continue with the next letter. We have already finished till H. So, after H, which letter? I. Very good. Capital letter I and small letter I. I says E. I says E. But sometimes I has got one more sound. That is, I says I and I says E. So usually it is actually I sound is E, but sometimes it has also got one more sound, that is I. Like E, E, insect, E, E, ink pot. Now that other sound is I says I, ice cream, I, iron box, I, ice cream. So there are two sounds for I. So next, after I, which is a letter? Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and next J. Very good. Capital J, small j. Capital J, small j. And this is capital J, small j. J says J. Jackfruit, jacket, jug, jam, jeep. Very good. Next, after letter J, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Very good. Capital K, small k. Capital K, small k. K says kiwi. It is a fruit. Key. Kangaroo. Kite. Like I said, English letters has got sometimes two sound. Here, because this K is associated with letter N, along with it, if N comes, it becomes, K becomes silent, and so it is knife. You will understand later when you grow up. Now you leave this knife, you learn only these four objects. K for kiwi, key, kite, kangaroo. Okay. Next, after K, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Very good. L says L. Capital L, small l. L says L. Capital L, small l. L says L. Lotus. Leaf. Ladybug. Lamp. Lion. After L, which letter? Let's see. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Very good. M says M. Capital M, small m. M says M. Capital M, small m. M says M. Mat. Monkey. Mango. Milk. Mouse. After M, which letter? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Very good. L, M, N. So this is N. Next letter is N. N says N. Capital N, small n. Capital N, small n. N says N. Newspaper. Nest. Nip. Napkin. Net. After N, which is the letter? After N, which letter? O. O says O. O says O. Orange. Capital O, small o, both are same, but only the size is different. Capital O, small o says O. Orange. Onion. Oil. Owl. Ostrich. Okay. After O, this is letter. After O, it is P. Very good. Now, this is capital P and small p. This is capital P which starts from the top red line and small p starts from the first blue line. That is, this is big and this is small. This is capital P, this is small b. And capital P, small p. P says P. Pigeon. P, peacock. P, parrot. P, pencil. P, pizza. And now the remaining letters you will be learning in the month of August. But now up till here, whatever you have learned, we'll have some fun activities. Okay? We'll have some fun activities. Now that you have learned all the objects, let's keep all the letters on one side. Let me remove this and keep all the objects here, and then different objects are kept here. You will have to pick and associate with the different letters whichever is given to you. Okay, like now your mama is going to give you a letter. So say for your mama gives you letter A, so you have to pick the object which is associated with the letter A. A says a. What do you find here? A. Search for it. What do you find? Okay, there is an arrow. So letter A for arrow. Very good. This is done. And now let's pick the next letter. Your mama gives you the next letter, that is K. Now you have to find the object associated with letter K. K says K. What do you find K for? What do you find here letter K for? Tell me, what do you find? Oh, I think it is kite. K for kite. K for kite. So this is done. This is done. So we'll keep it aside. Next letter, your mama gives you a letter, that is capital J, small j. J says J. What do you find J for? You have to search. So this is one activity. The parents can help them. And then there is one more activity which is fun and they try to learn, and the reinforcement of letter happens by these activities. So now I'm going to keep all the capital letters here. And some small letters here. They have to pick the same letter, capital and small. So this is just an example I'm showing, but parents can make it more interesting in a playway method. This is fun. So once you finish with the fun activity, they listen to you and they write fast when you ask them to write. And if you're directly asking them to write, they don't like. So if you use some fun activities and then help them to write, they will surely finish the writing job also. Parents, now ask them pick a letter and ask them to find the small letter of that letter. See, now this is B. Ask them to find the small letter B. So they will search for the small letter B. Oh, it is here, capital B, small b. So this is done. We'll keep it aside. So next, pick a letter. Let's pick letter A, capital A. So you have to search for the small letter A. So children will tend to search the correct letter because every day we reinforce them with letters, orals, so they learn to associate each other. This is capital A, small a, and this is done. So likewise, you can give lot of fun activities for the reinforcement of letters. Thank you, parents and children. Thank you. Enjoy learning. Learning is fun.